Welcome to the OEM Center Console Removal Installation Guide for Honda Accord 2008 to 2013. Follow our steps, even beginners can do it easily. Prepare special tools like pry off the gear panel along the gaps with a crowbar. Do not pull it open forcefully, pry it off little by little. Otherwise, the panel may crack. Disconnect the original vehicle seat heating connector. Use a pry bar to remove the center console trim panel. Use tools to remove the screws on both sides and the two screws under the radio. Carefully take out the original car radio. Unplug the 3 upper connectors on the back, 5-pin hazard light power cable, 6-pin radio AC power cable and AC control cable. Then disconnect the lower connectors, main unit power cable, steering wheel control wire and radio antenna. Now remove the display screen of the original car radio and disconnect the display wiring harness on its rear side. Take out the transparent acrylic plate from the package. Peel off the surface protective film and assemble it with the display screen. Next, install the brackets on the back of the Android screen. A baffle needs to be mounted on the rear of the Android screen, so complete the required wiring connections first, including the 10-pin reverse trigger wire, 4-pin U6-pin USB cables and RCA wiring harness. Finally, tighten all screws. Then connect all wiring harnesses, including OEM monitor power cable, main power cable, and 12-pin AUX cable. There are 2 methods to connect SWC. Fix the microphone above the driver's seat and tuck the cable into the gaps of the car interior for a neat and tidy look. Move the small screen above the original radio downwards, connect the display control cable on its back, and attach the dust cover. Finally, secure the screen with screws. Now get ready to connect the aftermarket camera. Reinstall the Android screen onto the center console. Connect the remaining wiring harnesses in the end. Connect the power cable and CD adapter cable to the rear of the original car radio.